Hey guys, and welcome to my newest tutorial. In today's tutorial we're gonna talk about how you can install MetaMask crypto wallet on Chrome browser. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go to metamask.io. So this is the original site. After that you're gonna see this page right here. You're gonna click on download for Chrome. It's gonna take us to this page right here. So you're gonna click add to Chrome and add extension. Right now it's gonna download the MetaMask extension and install it into our Chrome browser. It's gonna take some time, but it's usually pretty fast. So after you install the MetaMask extension, it's gonna take you to this page right here automatically. So let's get started. Trusted by millions, MetaMask is a secure wallet making the world of Web3 accessible to all. So click on I agree to MetaMask's terms of use and click on create a new wallet. Click on I agree and we're gonna create a password right now. So make sure it's a strong password or an average one. Click on I understand that MetaMask cannot recover this password for me and left click on create a new wallet. So right after that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna secure your wallet by watching this 1 minute video. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna just skip this part, but it's gonna be pretty simple and it's a very important step for you to do. So after you do that, wallet creation successful. So we've successfully protected your wallet. Keep your secret recovery phrase safe and secret. It's your responsibility. So you're gonna click on got it. You're gonna left click on next because our MetaMask install is complete, and we're gonna click on done. So in the upper right corner you're gonna have the extension tab. We're just gonna pin the MetaMask, which is this button right here, and when you click left click on the fox, we should get our MetaMask account ready. Let's see. So this is it. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.